I'm Sally Cole with Story Hour Academy. This is our review lesson about the 16 single sound consonants. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to write a letter and you are going to tell me the sound that it makes. Our first letter is B. Here's a capital B. Here's a lowercase b. What sound does it make? B. Our next letter is D. Here's a capital D. Here's a lowercase d. What sound does it make? D. Our next letter is the letter F. Here's a capital F. Here's a lowercase f. What sound does it make? Our next letter is the letter H. Here's a capital H. Here's a lowercase h. What sound does it make? Our next letter is J. Here's a capital J. Lowercase j. What sound does it make? J. Our next letter is K. Here's a capital K. A lowercase k. What sound does it make? K. Our next letter is L. Here's a capital L. A lowercase l. What sound does it make? O. Our next letter is M. Here's a capital M. A lowercase m. What sound does it make? Our next letter is N. Here's a capital N. Lowercase n. What sound does it make? Our next letter is P. Here's a capital P. A lowercase p. What sound does it make? P. Our next letter is Q. Here's a capital Q with a lowercase u. Here's a lowercase q with a lowercase u. QU together says what? Qu. Our next letter is R. It's a capital R, lowercase r. What does R say? Our next letter is T. Capital T, lowercase t. What sound does T make? T. Next letter is V. Capital V, lowercase v. What sound does V make? V. Our next letter is W. Here's a capital W. A lowercase w. What sound does it make? W. And our last single sound consonant is a Z. Here is the capital Z. Here is the lowercase z. What sound does it make? Z. Now, if this was easy for you, great job. You should continue on to the next series about consonant digraphs. If this was difficult for you, no problem. You can go back, you can repeat any of the lessons for any of the letters and continue on when you're ready. Great job, and I'll see you next time at Story Hour Academy.